Let's solve this part of the expression first. 2 and 2 cancels out each other, leaves 1 here, and the expression becomes 60 divided by 1, and 60 divided by 1 equals 60. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, when you have multiplication and division involved in an expression, they have the same priority, but you must work from left to right. So now let's rewind and solve this expression the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division operator present here and we have multiplication operator present here. This operator here is a fraction, it's not a division operator. So as per the rules, we must solve this part of the expression first. So what we can do here is we can apply KCF rule to get rid of the fraction or to make our lives easier. So what we do is keep means keep. So we keep 60. Change means we change the sign from division to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction from 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. We don't need to write over 1, so we'll just leave it as 2, and we have times 2. So now it's much simpler because we do not have any division or fractions involved in this expression. We just have two multiplication operators present in this expression. And rule is simple, just go work from left to right. So 60 times 2 gives us 120, and 120 times 2 gives us 240, which is the correct and final answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.